Welcome back to AI Smart Forge. Have you ever dreamed of making YouTube videos that look professional but take almost no effort to create? Today, I'll walk you through how I use VideoGen AI, the ultimate AI video generator, to create content that not only saves time, but can actually make you money. Don't forget to subscribe right now, because the tips in this video could completely change how you think about creating videos. All right, let's dive in. Open your browser and click the link in the description. That will take you straight to VideoGen's homepage. On the top right, click Sign Up. Choose your Google account, give access, and you're in. No hassle. Once you're signed in, VideoGen takes you straight to the dashboard, ready to create. From the dashboard, look at the left menu and click New Video. This opens the media selection screen. Here you can choose built-in stock videos, free stock clips, or let AI generate images from your own text prompts. There's also a premium iStock option if you need top-tier clips. For this tutorial, I'll keep it simple and go with generative images. Next, set your clip pace. This is how fast each scene changes. For YouTube, I recommend fast to keep it dynamic. For calmer content, go with normal or slow. Then choose your video ratio. For YouTube, always stick to 16:9 landscape. If you're creating for TikTok or Reels, go with 9:16 vertical. Since this is for YouTube, I'll choose 16:9. Then click Continue. Now comes the fun part. In the box, what is your video about? Type your main idea. For example, skills that help you succeed. Then choose your language. Default is English US. After that, select your video length. Options go from short to long. For more detail, I usually pick very long. Hit the red arrow, and VideoGen will generate your full outline. Next, let's add a voice. On the left menu, click AI Voice. Keep the language English, US, and pick the voice you like. For example, Matilda for a warm female tone, or Will for a natural male tone. Then hit Generate Video. Now let's polish it up. Go to the Themes section. Upload your logo and place it where it looks neat, like the top right corner. You can also adjust fonts, title screen style, and brand colors. Once everything looks good, click Share/Export, choose 1080p for YouTube, or 4K if you want maximum quality. Hit Export, wait a few moments for AI to process, then download the file. And that's it! In just a few minutes, you've built a complete video powered by AI. No camera, no expensive gear, no stress. Remember, success isn't one big step. It's the small, consistent actions you take every day. And with tools like VideoGen, sharing your message with the world gets so much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a quick favor. Hit like, subscribe to AI Smart Forge, and drop a comment with the words AI Video, so I know you'd like to see more guides like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.